Welcome to this tutorial by the Durham Public Library on how to request an interlibrary loan. First, open a web browser and enter the web address for the library, which is www.durhampubliclibrary.org. On our home page, hover over Books and Media near the top. Click Interlibrary Loan and Purchase Requests. On this page, you will see multiple options to complete an interlibrary loan request. The first option we will discuss is to complete the form below. Here you will insert the date of your request. You will enter your first and last name, as well as your phone number or email address, which we will use to contact you when the item is ready. Please include a title for the item, as well as the item's author. And let us know which format you are looking for. Once you click Submit, you will see a confirmation that your submission has been sent. Another option is to request the item directly through the New Hampshire Interlibrary Loan System. You will follow the link just above the form we previously filled out. Here is the main page for the New Hampshire Interlibrary Loan System. First, you will start by logging in the top right corner. You will select the Durham Public Library from the drop-down menu. Next, you will enter your library barcode number along with the PIN used to access your account through our website. Once you are logged in, you can enter the title of the item you are looking for in the search bar at the top of the page. When the results populate, you will choose the item and format you are seeking. The available items will show. Simply click the Request button on an item. Make sure the item and your contact information are correct on the page where you will submit for the interlibrary loan request. The last option is to visit the library, where you can fill out an interlibrary loan request form. For more information, visit our website or call us